our channel. Sorry we haven't been posting busy nonsense and stuff, but we're playing another round of hide and seek. This time, Max is going to be hiding. Well, or I think we're going to take turns. But, same rules as last time if you watched it. Well, if you didn't watch it, well, one person sticks with Ember, puts her in the corner and counts. And then the other person hides somewhere and then hopes Ember will find them. So that's the rules. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where's Max? Where's Max? Where's Maxie?
Oh, wait, Emma, where's Maxie? Come on. Max, I did.
Oh, Scout.
Scouting.
Oh? What's that lump?
Wait.
Where do you... Oh! What's that?